Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. Today I'd like to show you how to download and install Anaconda and set it up to work with Stata. Anaconda is an integrated development environment that many people like to use for Python. And part of the reason is that many of the popular data science packages are automatically installed for Python when you install it with as part of Anaconda. So the first thing I'm going to do here is type Python search, and it turns out that I already have one flavor of Python installed on my system here. So I have just plain old Python. It's actually 3.8 already installed, but that's okay. I can also install Anaconda. So I'm going to install this by going to the website, and you can download Anaconda for Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then you can pick out which flavor you want. I want to download the version that includes Python 3.7. Many people still use Python 2.7 for a variety of reasons, so if you want that version, you can download it below. I'm using a 64-bit Windows system, so I'm going to click this link right here, and this will prompt me to download the installation executable to my machine here locally. Now, the file will be stored in different places depending on which web browser you're using. I'm using Firefox, so I can click on this little arrow right here, and it will show me the file, and I can see that this very large file is being downloaded. And so I'm going to use the magic of video editing to speed this process up a little bit. Okay, so the download is complete. Now I'm going to just double click on this executable to run the installation program. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is read this, and essentially we just need to click Next. You should definitely read the user license, and I'm going to just click I agree. And then I'm going to set this up for just me. You can set this up for all users if you like, but that would require administrative privileges, which you may or may not have. So I'm just going to set this up for me and click Next. And I'm going to install it in the default location and click Next. At this part here, under the advanced options, I'm going to not check the box next to add Anaconda 3 to my path. It says here not recommended, and so I don't check that box. But I do leave this box here checked that says register Anaconda, so you can register or not. Then I'm ready to click install. And I'm going to click show details here so we can see, watch it do the installation. This takes about 12 to 15 minutes to install, and for a while it's going to look like it's locked up completely. But don't worry, it will finally finish at some point, but again, it's going to take 12 to 15 minutes. You can see that it's still running by this little light that goes across this green bar here, so if that stops, that might indicate a problem. But otherwise, just be patient and it will eventually install. So I'm going to use the magic of video editing to speed this process up quite dramatically. Okay, so the installation is complete. I know that looked like it went by quickly, but I timed it and it was about 16 minutes actually to do the installation. I've simply compressed the time using video editing. But we're ready to move on with our installation, so I'm going to click Next and click Next again. And I don't want to do any of the tutorials or anything at the moment, so I'm just going to uncheck these and click Finish. And now I can go back to Stata. And if I type Python search again, now I see two installations of Stata. I still have my previous installation of Python, and then I also have my new installation of Anaconda, Python within Anaconda. And if I want to switch to this, because I may want to use the Anaconda flavor sometimes and the regular Python 3.8 sometimes, I can change which one I'm using by typing set python _ exec, and then I'm going to paste this executable file, the path and the executable file here. When I press enter, now I'm using the Anaconda flavor of Python that I have installed on my machine. And if I want to use it, I can type Python, and now I'm in Python mode. I can type things like 3 times 4, and Python returns 12, and when I'm finished, I can type end, and I'm back in Stata mode. So that's how I can download and install Anaconda and set it up to work with Stata. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.